we are going to talk about the skin. What is the skin? What is its function? And what is really skin? So I repeated the same thing again and again. So skin is the largest organ of the human body. How does skin work then? That's the real question, right? So it works on the basis of connecting each cell together. But it has a concept of every type of organs in our body. Our brain is connected with cells. Our heart is connected with cells, with muscles, and cells. Muscles are made from cells, right? And kidney, liver, and intestine, and every type of thing is made of cells. So, what is really skin? Skin is the type of protective organ formed for an organism, and that organism could be us humans, that are mammals, or anything, because each thing has its own skin, and many type of exoskeletons present on that skin as well. So skin scientifically is called as dermal layer, that is epidermal layer, that is the uppermost. Skin is the uppermost, but it has various layers of it, and different layer produce their own secretion to help the skin. Skin act as a barrier for the every type of dust particle and every type of mucus and sebum that are coming from your body. So it's the protective layer, is the surface of every type of secretion, and it makes people look good as well. So let's understand skin in deeply. What is the secretion behind the all of the thing? So secretion is like the sweat gland, the sebum that are secreted from your glands, and the mucus. Mucus is partially from the sebum as well. So what is sebum and sweat? Sweat is a secretion of your body that is taken out whenever your body is way too hot. So it's a natural response. Do you know that you should never cool off yourself during an acute fever? Before, because if you cool yourself, the purpose of having high temperature is to kill off bacteria, or to kill off the bacteria or the viral infection that is going into your body with the help of high temperature. Those bacteria and viruses cannot survive in high temperature, so it's a defense mechanism of your body. So it is a natural process during an attack in your body that your body turns up your temperature, that is called as fever. Fever is very common, but you should not do to let the temperature down. It's the natural response. So let your body fight it, but at a certain limit. If your temperature goes way too high, your body organs may dysfunction, or it the result of it going way too high is due to it failing in its function. So you should go talk with the doctors. I'm not going to prescribe anything, but various antibiotics help also there, because these are bacteria, right? And bacteria are killed off with the help of what? Antibiotics. So this is the thing, okay? And many time whenever we are talking about the bacteria and many things, so some bacteria do not have cell walls, and you know what is the thing, that is the bacteria that are present, our antibiotics breaks off the cell wall, so the all of the liquid comes out, because they are unicellular, they should have cells, right? Cell wall. But some bacteria do not have cell wall, but they have cell membrane. And cell membrane is like phospholipid in us, it is a thin layer which keeps it intact. So antibiotics like penicillin and many more do not work on these bacteria, because there is no cell wall to work with. So how would you defeat that? That's the thing. So these are the thing about bacteria. We would continue about the cells in the upcoming video. Thank you.